Okay, well, there's some news coming in. Rohitji, stay on with me. I'm going to bring in Arunima, where I believe that Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Union Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah, has called the family the of Mr. Ajit Pawar and expressed their condolences. Can you just take us over some of those details, Arunima?
Yes, so it looks like both the Prime Minister and the Union Home Minister have spoken to Devendra Fadnavis. They've had a phone call after confirmation that Ajit Pawar was on that ill-fated charter plane. Both the Prime Minister and the Home Minister have been briefed by the Chief Minister of Maharashtra about whatever information is available at this stage. The information, as being reported by authorities, is that the plane tried to land at Baramati airstrip, but it looked like that the pilot had lost all control and it crash landed, and immediately after the crash landing the wreckage was on fire. So the Home Minister and the Prime Minister have been given this briefing, we are told by sources, by the Chief Minister. Steps that are being taken to ensure that the Pawar family, whatever help is required to reach Baramati. Supporters of Ajit Pawar, family members of Ajit Pawar, Bharatiya Janata Party's alliance partner, Ajit Pawar was in alliance with the Bharatiya Janata Party. So there is a possibility that even though Parliament is in session, senior leadership could be present there when the final rites are carried out. And that briefing by Chief Minister of Maharashtra to Home Minister and Prime Minister has just taken into account as to what can be done currently to just help the Pawar family in this huge hour of grief.
Yes, of course. This is going to have repercussions beyond just the state of Maharashtra and, of course, Baramati. National leaders of parties that have influence nationally. This is a completely different scenario. The last major accident involving a top Maharashtra politician was Gopinath Munde, if my memory serves me right, and Rohit might correct me there, but that was a news that came out of nowhere. And it also spun at that point in time into a major political news event because Mr. Munde was, of course, a very, very influential grassroots leader. So is Ajit Pawar. He's a very influential leader with a wide base, major support base, and, of course, the face of the NCP movement, which now will be, of course, under stress because he had formed his own political party. What happens to that faction? Will there be a reorientation, realignment? Of course, all very premature to talk about all of that right now. But fundamentally, viewers, there are going to be ripples across the political spectrum on the back of this unfortunate event